Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Ajir video topic hoise water chemical fertilizers, organic fertilizers and biofertilizers. So prothomate water chemical fertilizers. So fertilizers boli kole generally chemical fertilizers se mean kora hoy. So fertilizers are inorganic substances that contain one or more ingredients of plant nutrient in large proportions. So fertilizers for inorganic substance hoy tar mane jot carbon na thake. Okay, so chemical fertilizers for inorganic substance hoy aro jot besi porimanot plant nutrient thake. Eta major plant nutrient bor hoise nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. These are the major plant nutrients. Jetia soilot NPK percentage to komi jay tetia plantor growth and development effect hoy. আৰু তেনেকুৱা soilot যেতিয়া chemical fertilizer apply কৰা হয় তেতিয়া আকৌ NPK percentage to balance হৈ থাকে আৰু plantor growth to healthy হয়. Okay, so chemical fertilizers are of two types. First hoise straight fertilizer. Fertilizer that contain only one plant nutrient are called straight fertilizer. যেতিয়া কোনো fertilizer কেৱল এটা plant nutrient থাকে হেতুকে কোৱা হয় straight fertilizer. For example, urea. So urea কেৱল nitrogen থাকে. Okay, so urea is a straight fertilizer. So next we say complex or compound fertilizer. Fertilizers that contain two or more nutrients in one compound are called complex or compound fertilizer. So complex or compound fertilizer etat se besi nutrient thake. For example, DAP. So DAP mane hoise diammonium phosphate. So diammonium and ammonia formula hoise NH3. So yate ammonia thake nitrogen aru logot ete hoise phosphorus. So DAP thake nitrogen and phosphorus. So enikwa dhonor fertilizer jo duta plant nutrient thake take koa hoy complex or compound fertilizer. So this was all about chemical fertilizers. Next let us discuss organic fertilizers or manures. So organic manures are made up of dead plant and animal remains. Aru ei organic fertilizers bur tini dhoroner hoy farmyard manure, compost and green manuring crops. So prothomote let us discuss what is farmyard manure. So farmyard manure is a decomposed mixture of cow dung, urine of farm animals and left material from fodder. So cow dung, urine of farm animals aru fodder mane hoise animal feed. Okay, so ebur mix kori jetia decompose kora hoy tetia farmyard manure produce hoy aru ei farmyard manure to jetia soilot apply kora hoy tetia soilor fertility to bahi jay. Okay, so farmyard manure is an example of organic manure. So next hoise farmyard manure hoy gol ebar ahise compost. So what is compost? Compost is decomposed plant and food waste. So ei picture khonor pra bujai jay what is compost. So compost to ghorote prepare karo pari jeneke posi joa hak pasoli naiba vegetables or bakoli naiba kisman konir bakoli. So ebur hoise food waste. Okay, so ebur jetia mix kori pelai decompose kora hoy posi joa hoy tetia compost produce hoy. So ebur joma kori thoi dile decomposition hoy due to the effect of microorganisms ar jar pholot compost produce hoy aru ei compost to jetia soilot apply kora hoy he soil to harwa kori tule. Okay, so compost is a organic fertilizer. So next aru a bit compost ase vermicompost. So what is vermicompost? Decomposed plant and animal waste using earthworm. Okay, so compost prepare kora nisinai jetia plant waste naiba kiba domestic waste for eta container store kori thobo pari aru tat cow dung naiba animal waste jikono cow dung dibo pari aru earthworm use kori pelai vermicompost prepare kora hoy aru ei process to generally approximately 3 months lage. Okay, so this is vermicompost and this is also an organic manure. So farmyard manure hoy gol, compost hoy gol. Next is green manuring crops. So farmyard manure aru compostor uporio kisman enukwa crops thake junbur crops potharot grow korile he soilor fertility to बढ़िबो pare. In fact the nitrogen content soilor junto nitrogen content hetu increase hoy jay. So for example dhensa eta green manuring crop hoy aru ei crop e soilor junto available nitrogen hoy ei nitrogen or level to increase kori die aru ei crop to after matured hoar pisoto crop to katar pisot roots or hete crop to tate soilor potharote thakibole die. till the next crop to grow nohoaleke tate thakibole die jate soilor nitrogen level to bahi jay. Okay, so eniko dhoroner crops purok koa hoy green manuring crops. So a green manuring crops puro organic farming on use kora hoy. Okay, so this was all about organic fertilizer. So next আমি discuss korim what is biofertilizer. So substances that contain living microorganisms that promote plant growth by increasing the fertility of the soil are called biofertilizer. So biofertilizers bor enikota fertilizer hoy jot living microorganisms thake aru ei microorganisms bore soilor available nitrogen to increase kori dibo pare aru soil to besi fertile kori die. For example, azolla. Azolla ta water fern hoy aru this azolla is used as a biofertilizer in the fields, in the farm, to increase the nitrogen level. Okay, so azolla oporio aru ase BGA mane hoise blue green algae. So blue green algae is also a biofertilizer. Tar upor aru eta ase rhizobium. So rhizobium ebit bacteria hoy aru ei bacteria to leguminous crops or roots thake. Okay, hipat thake aru ei bacteria soil atmospheric nitrogen to it can fix the atmospheric nitrogen and makes it available for the plants. So rhizobium, tarpor blue green algae and azolla. So ebur hoise all are biofertilizers aru ebure ei biofertilizers bure soilor nitrogen content to increase kori plants puror karone available kori die. Okay, so this was all about chemical fertilizers, organic fertilizers and biofertilizers. So video to sai kenekwa lagile janabo, jodi bhal lagise informative boli bhabe please like it and share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.